everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative with our brand new kit. This is a new style kit. It's a themed kit. It's a Christmas card making one. It's called Oh What Fun, and it's different than the kits we normally do. Let me show you what's different and how this one works. So in this kit you've got some of our new baker's twine in the festive colours of red, green and pink. We have got our champagne rhinestones, a pack of the Oh What Fun creative cuts, which are just great for card making. A packet of our rectangle card and envelopes. You get 10 cards and 10 envelopes in here. Some of our circle foam mounts. This is our new card makers collection pack, and this is the A5 size, and I'll take you through those in just a second. And of course you've got the magazine. So we don't normally do magazines in our kit, but this one has got everything in here to help you with making your cards. So we've got easy at the beginning, and then we've got medium and then harder ones at the back. So this is perfect for beginners or children. So on this page, for example, it's going to show you here everything you need to make this card. So you don't have to wonder what ones I've used. It's all spelled out for you down the bottom. And this card is actual size. So if you did want to measure the sizes, you can, and it's giving you everything used at the bottom here. I'm going to show you the collection pack. So this is the card makers collection pack. And we have designed this so that these cut in half and fit exactly on some of our rectangle card and envelopes. So they create great bases so that when you're creating a card, so this will create some beautiful portrait cards. Again, this one you want to cut it in half, and there's some that you can use for landscape or portrait. So they are great. There's fussy cutting bits in there, more backgrounds, and so much. There's 2 of every one of these sheets in the packet. Whole bunch of sentiments in there, and then we start again. So that is the whole packet of those. There is also one other product that's not in the kit that goes with it. These are our crystal stickers. They are called Oh What Fun Shimmer Crystal Stickers. Had to get that right. And they are this kind of shimmery colour. And when I made these cards with Pearl, she so wanted these. I'm going to show you the cards that you can create now. So starting off with the easy ones. So these are just melting up one layer, keeping it nice and simple. And we've used the foam mounts in there to mount up the Merry Christmas and so what. Next we get into the medium ones, which are starting to create more complex things like bows and fussy cutting and layering up more than one layer. And we start creating different layers as we go through. Oops, then we kick into the hard ones. So then we've got all the fussy cut elements on there to make the cute little wreath. This one has lots of fussy cutting and layering. And again with this one. Because there are 10 cards, I had to make a 10th one. And this little bonus one here, I actually have put in the little magazine here as a little sneak, so you can make that one if you want. But if your kids are anything like mine, well, mine didn't want anything to do with making mummy's designs, of course, because she's very independent. I have got Pearl's cards here. Pearl made these ones with the kit with her, actually they're her friend Mary's. These ones are Pearl's. So she cut out these cute little candy canes out of the baker's twine, layered it all up, and she thought she needed to use a whole packet of bling on this one, as you do when you're 7. So kids love making cards with this kit. It's great for beginners. Everything you need is in this packet. All you'll need to do if you're buying this for a grandkid or a neighbour or a friend is to give them a glue stick. They just need a ruler, some scissors and maybe a pencil, and they are good to go. So there is actually $52 worth of value in this kit, but if you buy it in kit form like this, it only comes out at $39. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you really enjoy this new kit as much as we did creating it and making it for you. And we will be making more kits in this format with the 9 cards and the book. In the future, we'll do some for birthdays and other themes like special occasion and so what. So this is our new kit. Till next time, guys. Bye.